Well, this is Bongo Land. So how many is it just in this bit? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. There's 19 just here. And there's a good, that's 19. There's probably about 40, 50 bongos.
No, there's no plates, is there?
No. So they're all imports.
Well, it's all for spares now.
Well, they could be. Yeah, I don't know. About 40 bongos, and all up there. Bongo World.
Or Bongo Grave.
Bongo Graveyard. Gosh, loads.
I think they've got plates on them.
Yes, they've got number plates on that lot. We're now at Halifax, and this is the Piece Hall. 17 something, was it? 1779, I think it was.
It's different, isn't it?
Yeah. Yes. Just look round it. Gosh, it's huge.
Do you want to go in the middle?
Yeah, I'll go in the middle.
All round thing.
Oh, it's for selling wool, wasn't it?
Yes. Pieces of hand-woven cloth. Oh, it's the library, that is, isn't it?
Yeah.
Gosh. It's great in the summer.
Yeah.
It's nice enough to sit, you know.
We've got the blue sky.
Yeah.
There's church up there.
It's not what you expect to see in a northern wall town, is it?
Yeah.
It's sort of Italian or something.
Yeah. Right, now we're here. What do we do now then?
Oh, we'll just walk about underneath there.
This is looking at the, I think it's the south gate of the Piece Hall. And just look at the gate, it's in the sun now. Yeah, George Smith and Son, Foundry, Glasgow. That's a gate and a half, isn't it, or a door? Yeah, I'd love to see that closed. It's phenomenal, isn't it? It's 1/2 of the gate or door, and this is the other one.